Abusia, Yamakwaba, Eba, Ghana and TV. Your best friend, we will subscribe to the channel from our YouTube our comment section. From 2024 up to 2025, no, the foundation laid in 2024, no, and now my young who 2025.
Okay.
Assuming without admitting, the real scorecard of NDC will be 2026. As an economist, I will not give all the credit to us. No. Yes, I've been unfair.
Foundation.
I want to be a moderate. I want to be a moderate. And in moderation, no, don't be too extreme.
Okay.
Because I might be a run going concern. Don't forget to say, you're too about we no. Now can people make my cost mayhem in Ghana. But don't say there be 57% to the massa. Otu mama or the kokota. Emfa. 87 in parliament against 183 the other kokota emfa. Let's leave it hanging. And what we are seeing today, no, the moderates will argue say a certain foundation was laid. And that foundation that was laid, no, there's a build up for 1 year. Because you 1 month and it's not possible. Going forward, no, the real litmus test of NDC as a government will be 2026. Because 2025 for the only inherited BB and so far equity asset plus liability. So Giamamua a cat any japadi any pejade.
Yep.
When you put the two together, it gives you equity. So the equity of a country called Ghana, no, is the total, the aggregate of your asset and your liability. Now you've run the country for 1 year. The indicators are so good. And the moderate will argue, say, look, if the indicators are good, they are. Obi nedi baton here then, Emma. And you're unlocking the prospect in that baton, no, and now more indicators now are very positive.
Especially on the growth of the economy, no.
Precisely.
World Bank for a predict says by a certain percentage.
Now we've done 6.3. So that means that we've done far in excess of what the World Bank told us. And what I make sure will say, in analyzing the context of the growth situation now, no, you are going to meet two group people, the extremists and the moderate. The extremists will tell you, say, look, and this MPP are nyeshi, omo bo minor, omo the echo IMF, DDEP, which almost say minor. The moderate will say there be whatever success you are witnessing today, no, a certain foundation was called the going concern principle. However, as an economist, right, I want to say, if we really want to judge NDC as a government properly, it will be 2026. Because 2026, the benchmark of 2026 is 2025. So a new
that will be the foundation.
That will be the foundation. So the foundation of us NDC is 2025. So we are then going to analyze whether say one, His Excellency Mahama, I resetting my ye. Dr. Keslato Forsen, the financial prowess and experience na college, no, it is really working. And in Yankopon Yardman, November 2026, no, mebaha. Then we will do introspection. Now you find data by data. Until we will take the 2024 data, 2025 data, and look at projection for 2027.
Okay.
At that level, no, you compare you have variance analysis. You have 2024, you have 2025, you have 2026. And to say, oh yeah, the moderate, and I will make it argument to say, NDC near share, near for 2024, near scale about 2025, near about 2026. And to say 2027, you catch you say, oh, exchange rate bet me a best $7 to $1. Then that strength of the performance, no, cannot be credited to the MPP. But all said and done, I can tell you, say, there is certain agenda is truly on course.
Next is a midwife say Ghana ye yemfa ya juma no. Me gidi say na ye nyina ye hope say budget ni be cover ye. But unfortunately, pick I to force and say yen ka 2026 budget ni ho. Enti no ama me say nkofo era ho. But there's a positive news but no crown. I don't know how it would. I hope say ebe kwama especially ya yemfa ya juma no. Me who post bia na Ministry of Health honorable Kando say we assign another memorandum MOU with some 14 countries. The 14 countries ni hope say omo may yes experience now at least more fi no 10 numbers ni bi so Because I mean that should be the whole agenda. Say your system need to me absorb your mom of you know. That's what the finance minister said. And this year, person do more baby koboa. Near say before or more ward no more chill or mono. Or currently there's massive shortage. You go hospital be nurses, midwives, they are understaffed. Into workload near too much for them. This opportunity that they said in Grenada balance, and we all saw it. You have minimum 5 years experience. You'll be always going to nephew or what's nephew. And then unqualified because we need a self rotation can work just 1 year. What I say, it's a hard journey, but I'm hoping it be a maybe to me about movie, especially 2020 batch for neighbor. No, okay, so we need that to say. Aban before Juma Emfa, you know, will be our bear, no, I hint them. As a private to be, and I say anything you office over to me because would do an Utina China. Abanam who said, Nim Fisus are own to me and from and again. So in next year budget, you know, Monka home, you know, I think it's a for Mohagine. Now 14 countries, you know, you hope he said, yeah. More fie no ebe fam emfa wonso a sele de bia meka no say ahodin wo ho some way somehow try and write English no English ni aka ho asem sa ya bo ho de ra and we will continue to talk about it anti reality na ya na meka ne binie say nurse ni we school since 2020 referral batch for no ebe nyina yem fa o madwuma you ready budget I say and cover even for the next year. And this nurse you know to me can't change say oh you're lazy because abusuano and I'm no because I say this is my name who cry and I'm so yeah Charlie because the brain bosiano mobo at the work school. This also been fear for 2-3 years now but you're bedding to them. In fact, just a while we do to boom a copy BB which I feel is very sad. There's a but all hope is not lost. Say why bit maybe being kakran now they are throw exams in a honon and kofu being person mo betino. O betin if he say kwano. Na say what throw exams no na be 2 kwanya kwa year juma and make you mama no papa proud that do it. On ye Messi Mecca said do it. Because we colleague nurses and midwives now or many opportunity to kwano. You look at them and you can attest to the fact that there have been a massive change in their lives. And you'll be all the other ABA by it. It's not the Biameka nurse, midwife, or the coffee fan chen. That's your own cup of tea. But me, I'm yet to see or meet a nurse and a midwife, or the nurse in the midwife in a bar blue chair or say, media. Nagana ye mammy chain blue chair now made the nurse in Abano. Enti me kwako ye akoto nkuto se ajongo na pam wayo mi pebi pesa nurse ni ko mabisa no nurse ni baby ana oye no what you say nti me nuanu ma ye tifia ani da so asa na ani da so ne sansa and that's what no because as usual no expect say aban ne be foul aban ne so am wo hu se mean to me ahodini ni ho say until next year na mon ka plan ho so you have to do things your way because Grenada iba ye and I make evidence by ni bisa party card details. It's 14 countries. It might be the same be BMA mu bia me yebi. Then yes ade akoma die yenimu no whom you know. Ebi so na we antibiotics and unimu bia. Ti wo sa no mi oni pe bibiye ne fa tro exams no. Ebusuan no betumi aye aboa wa. Tro exams no na wo sutu kwan. Na fa wo nursing e mane nhyɛ dem ka nursing ne nhyɛ e mane nhyɛ kwa because abrochiri no wo nursing certificate na pin no e be ma wa hotoso be ma wa ye okay and I say oh
adia ba kwa ya reho wa Ghana ha e wo se ye mpanyifo ma wo mani di akire na wo mo afi wo mani wo ho na wo mu bi o maso mu wo ho e ye kwan a ye mfa ne ma serious tie ni ye kwaya ye mfa ne ma serious kwaya ye jeja ye ho na atorenchem bi to yen asem bi to yen esai bi to yen ansa na ya pensesa ye de egu akwa mo me pa acho sa de ne Ghana ha de nya de beboa yen wawno ehobambo wo wei ayese ayaresa ebri ko nanim tiniama bebre asesa yetumi tena se am oye ne beto oman no oye ne to oman ni wi anafa ne yepe solution enu a nipa baako ensia military recruitment wo mo kopa adwuma aye sebe ye omo sabetumi akoma no wo ma som wo mo man wo ma hwa abusua sabi ebi asom obrofo so naka me kopa adwuma aye de eye de ni sa kwansiewu a enya lori akwansia na be ye sankase na nipa akwobo apeso Elwak Park Elwak Stadium na nam subi nipa baako sa ensia ya broso wo Ghana ha and was say yetumi ka ho asam na ye nyina yetumi ti ase ye say yetumi ama ye ni ana ho ni yetumi amie ya so ye mie ye ni e won sese ye bi ho na da bia ya ndwini akwa ye nim sabia e be ha wo man no she recruitment baako a wo mo ye this 2025 recruitment the can be sa ho say nipa dodo ekwaji itwi e wo Elwak Stadium no emu dodo sen e no nkomo be fa wo mo nipa dodo enu ada wo mko bo peso e wo Elwak Stadium ho no emu dodo sen pa e na ye be fa wo mo e de o mawura military adwuma nim emu dodo sen ye tete ye nya na tie se 2025 enlistment no 60,000 e na apply ye ne ye tete ye ne no na emu 50% about say 30,000 and qualify ye so emu 30,000 na ye te ye so ma qualify no penny ye te yo emu 4,000 pe and omu be recruit wo mo enti ate sade a nipa baako 30,000 na wo recruit emu 4,000 a medofo pa Ghana ye kwaya na ye baaye etieni adan na ye mankofo ma ho kire wo mo a wo matumi anya bi se batch we ba we wi na we yakọ ama mafo tumi ko bo peso a me makopri soja dieda ye de yakọ yi Azuma Nelson Park eda me kwatena ho awia semie na me rese ni amafo bunka mafa so na wote wono mo ani aba ye kra list ni abebodin DJ Lexus ni abebodin oba Paselina ni ababe bodin ekuya sonto na wutie wiemu na wutie wiemu sa which means say nipa dodo na wo so mo fa mo protocol list ya fa wo mo dada eti kakra bi ne be so ni so efro nti sa nipa 30,000 ye kira ya se mo qualify ya ebu 4,000 ene e be recruit wo mo no eye dan ena mo ma enkofo ma ekwadi sensemesa